How to set up a power cut alert on app. Want to get real-time alerts every time the power is cut to the device installed in your vehicle? You can do that by setting up a power cut alert for your vehicle inside the LocoNav platform on mobile or web. To set up a power cut alert, you must first have a wired GPS tracker or OBD device installed in your vehicle, along with an active subscription to the LocoNav Fleet and Asset Management System. Let's log into LocoNav Fleet and Asset Management System and get started. Tap on More from the top navigation menu and select Alerts. A dashboard will appear with all alerts available on the platform. Tap on Subscriptions and then tap on the Set Alert button. You can find it on the bottom right of your screen, in the shape of a plus sign. Use the search bar on the top to search for the Power Cut Alert. Tap on Power Cut Alert from the search results. Now select sub-user name and vehicle group name from the drop-down menus to limit alerts for specific users and vehicles. Then choose the vehicles for which you want to create the selected Power Cut Alert in the form of real-time notifications. Tap on Continue. You can choose to have these notifications come to you on the mobile app, web, or email. Tap Create Subscription to save the alert settings. This way you can set up as many power cut alerts as you like for each of your vehicles. To learn more about LocoNav's fleet and asset management system, write to us at hi@loconav.com.